Okay, this is how to stop an armed carjacker. So the one move that stops an armed carjacker every time. Okay, so you're in your car and someone puts a gun in your face. What do? It's important to remember number one rule, remain calm. Easier said than done, right? Well, try your best because you have to keep your mind focused and don't agitate or startle the attacker. He is already in a state of anxiety, so don't make it worse. He just might pull that trigger, and that, my friend, is game over. Be calm, but act quickly. So, quickly reach up and grab his arm with both your hands. Try and keep the weapon aimed up towards the passenger window in case he fires. That way, it'll be less likely to ricochet and hit you. Now, yank and pull hard, as if you're pulling him inside the car with you. You have to pull hard and fast so you catch him off guard. This will pull his head directly into the car door frame, and ouch. Now you can take the weapon. Here, I'll demonstrate. So it's difficult to see in slow-mo how hard the pull is. However, you can still see the details, such as keeping his arm pegged up to his neck and how to push the arm against the windshield to keep him pinned. But you can tell where when his face hits, because see, his hand opens right there. That's a defensive mechanism. That's because his face hit and he couldn't put his arm up to prevent it or to prevent himself from getting hurt. His hand opens, and that's when you pin it up against the windshield and take the weapon. You see, he's pinned all the way up to his neck. Then it's safe to take the weapon from him. Gosh, in slow-mo, it looks like he's practically handing it to me, huh? So, a key point, do not point the weapon down toward yourself or toward the engine or transmission, because if he fires, a bullet could ricochet back and hit you. So try and keep the arm as level as possible, so if it is fired, it'll go through the glass instead. See how it's pointing down at my legs? Wrong. It would have shot me. Hi there. Okay, so for this technique to be effective, you have to move quickly and you must be committed to the follow through. Hard and fast. After you've pulled him into the vehicle frame, you'll notice how his fingers came open when he hit. It's a natural reaction from him having hit his face, but he couldn't prevent it. It's a defensive reaction. That's when you pin his arm against the windshield and take the weapon. It's all simple physics. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction, right? Okay, disclaimer time again. These techniques are to be used only in cases of extreme personal danger and for self-defense purposes only, okay? Use extreme caution, watch yourself, watch your kids. Now go have fun and learn to protect yourself. All that up there, it just says that I'm not responsible if you do dumb stuff. Got it? Okay, cool. So you can learn more by visiting our website at www.ms.v.com. Oh, and please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your support because none of this would be possible without you. I hope you learned something today that just might help you save your life one day. Thanks. I'll see you soon.